While for preparing the sikanji, we have lemon. So 1 part lemon to 2 part of sugar. So that was about 1 cup of lemon. This is 2 cups of sugar. Mint. Adding mint is option. Peppercorns. So now some people may say, who adds peppercorns to a sweet drink? But this is my twist to it. And ginger. Adding ginger is also optional. So here we have taken a kadhai. You may also take a saucepan. We are going to add a cup of water to it and the sugar. So as is the type of sweet drink with a tinge of lemon, we are going to add lots of sugar. We have about 2 cups of sugar here. So now we are going to wait until the sugar melts in the water, and we don't want any single thread or double thread consistency of sugar syrup. We just want our sugar to melt. Until then we will take out juice from our lemons and crush mint leaves. We have taken out juice from the lemons, and we have not taken care of the seeds. That will be removed when we strain the sugar syrup. So sugar is going to melt now. You can see it's on its last stage. Till then we are going to crush our mint leaves with some peppers. So we have a crusher here or mortar pestle. I'm going to add some peppercorns, ginger and mint leaves. We are going to crush and not make a paste. So we have crushed our mint leaves, ginger and peppercorns, and on the other hand our sugar syrup is also ready. So we'll now add the lemon to it and the crushed mint leaves. So mix the lemon first so that the sugar syrup does not get dried or crystallize. So you can see how much we have made. We have not made a paste at all. We just want its flavor and not a paste. We are going to let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes and then we are going to strain it. So you can see it looks very colorful. So this can be stored for at least a month. So as we prepared nimbu pani, that is the fresh and instant one. But this prepares in instant. If you prepare this sugar syrup, you just need to mix water after it's prepared. So you may prepare any one. I have taken a big bowl with a colander and we're going to strain it. So all the flavors from mint, ginger, black pepper will be extracted and it will be very delicious, I assure you. So we are going to strain the right way and then we are going to let it cool for some time until it's in room temperature. So as we have strained with a big whole colander, the particles of black pepper, mint have came down and the rest of the seeds of lemon have been drained off. You can see now as the particles have come in mouth, it will be tasting very delicious, and it is very good to prepare it and store it in a refrigerator, as in summers if guests come you can serve it immediately. You don't need to rush for any recipe. So now we are going to let it rest and cool until it's in room temperature. Then we are going to prepare and show you how to prepare it. Have the syrup that we prepared earlier. It is cooled down to room temperature. Now we will prepare the sikanji out of it. So here I have a glass. I am going to add some crushed ice to it. You may also add some fresh mint leaves on the bottom, which will float on top after it's prepared. It will look really delicious. So this much ice will be fine. Now we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of the syrup that we prepared. So 2 tablespoons look little less. We are going to add some more to it so that the flavor of it is very nice. So we added about 4 tablespoons of the syrup that we prepared earlier. Now we are going to top it off with some water. You can also use soda, but water is really fine. I am going to add some water to it. Sikanji is somewhat done. I am going to sprinkle some dried mint leaves on top of it. As I said earlier, you may use fresh ones, which will give more flavor. Now I am going to mix it once so that the syrup does not settles at the bottom. It looks really delicious. So thank you for watching.